Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use the cutout feature on Capcut for PC easily. So get your video and make sure the background isn't is plain and not like this, because it's harder to remove backgrounds that are very, I don't know, hectic. I don't know what to call it. Just get one with a background that is somewhat plain. So it's easier for Capcut to delete the background. Go to Cutout and select Auto Cutout. Wait, let me just pause it here so I can show you the chroma key part too. So on this video, I'm just going to select Auto Cutout because the background is plain. And on this one, because there is a blue screen background, I'm going to select chroma key, I'm going to select the color picker, and I'm going to select the blue screen. And here I'm just going to adjust the strength and maybe even add in some shadows. And to this I'm going to add in just a plain background behind it so you guys can see what it looks like without the background. Okay, this one I need to adjust the strength a little bit more. Maybe like put it on 1 and add in a shadow. It's still not perfect. Maybe you can use Auto Cutout instead to remove the excess part of it. But it is more accurate if you use Auto Cutout rather than using the chroma key. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!